Hey, Glenn Old Man with the cam, and I'm out here in Hinckley Lake to do an update. This is November 4th, 2023, and wow, what a big difference now. I mean, we're going to look at the lake, which is no more. It's just a little river flowing on through. I'll do a little bit of a close-up on that, and then we'll go over to the boathouse and see what that looks like. Well, you can see how it's all drained out, except for a little river that's running through there. There's a gentleman behind me who had a flat tire on his bike, and so he's trying to repair it. Everybody's asking him if he's okay. He's doing fine. He knows what he's doing. Okay, we'll go over to the boathouse, which is over that way. Quite, boy, way down from when we were here last. Okay, we're down here at the boat launch, which we've seen several times, and the little dock area here. You can see how dry the lake is. It was mud before, now it's just drying out. I'll do a zoom in and we'll take a look at that. You can see how dry it is out there. It's starting to dry out. And there's just a little bit of a creek, the Rocky River, flowing through the center there, as we saw near the dam. Wow. This is the second update I'm doing on this. Again, November 4th. And I'll tell you, they drained the lake in a little over a month. It looks totally different. We'll have to follow the progress of how they're going to dredge this area over here, because they are going to dredge that in that area and then reconstruct the dam. And I don't know if they're going to dredge any more of this out here. But that's our update for this week. Okay, I'm on the point, which is just about next to the boathouse. You can see it over there. And that's where the Rocky River comes into here. It's the only thing that's supplying the water to it. We're going to head over to that side next and take a look from that side of the lake. We're on the other side. of the lake opposite the boathouse and the dock. You can see how it's just basically all dry except for the river that's feeding through here. We can get to every other location around the lake except up on the dam. It's a good thing we were out there and shot some video of that a while ago. You can see that there's more of a channel now. Goes into the dam over there, but you can see that there's definitely a river-ish channel. We can't get in there. In fact, you can't get into any of this area. The bathhouse is all fenced off. The fence goes all the way down across the lower part of the river there and over and up on the other side. So the beach and the bathing area, you can't get to that. That's going to do it until they start doing some construction and we can get out here. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for joining me. Glad to have you along. You have a great day. Until the next update.